Salt and vinegar on chips is a very delightful thing to have, and now I'm going to make it. It's also known as E262, and it could be sodium acetate alone or a mixture with vinegar. And the daily intake should be around 1 gram per person, depending on the body weight. This is the chemical reaction that produces it, and it is vinegar plus bicarbonate of soda equals sodium acetate. The different types of vinegar have acidity indicated on the label, which usually is between 4.5% to 7%. Most of the times it is 5%. And this is the calculation. So for every 100 milliliters of 5% acidity vinegar, I need to use up to 7 grams of sodium bicarbonate. And this is really the maximum bicarbonate that I shall use and not more, because otherwise in the final product we will have some sodium bicarbonate left. If we use less, then we will have the sodium acetate plus some vinegar, which also is corresponds to the definition of E262. Now I'm uh, here in this pan. I'm mixing the bicarbonate of soda with the vinegar, and the chemical reaction instantly goes on. And you see that's the carbon dioxide here, also water, and then we get the sodium acetate. Now we need to evaporate the water to get it. First, on the hob, I evaporate most of it, and now I prepare here with aluminum foil uh, this to transfer there what's left. And to finish the process here, I don't use the oven, but just the hob. And by using aluminum foil, I get a better product. I don't damage my pans, and I transfer it then very easily. I use this also to make sea salt, so it's my method, and I haven't patented it, but I probably should. And at the end, I get this powder, which is the sodium acetate plus probably some vinegar. And now I will let it to cool down, and then we'll transfer it in here. First I measured to see how much, but it was quite close to the formula, uh, so that was nice. Uh, and I will grind it with some sea salt. Around, in this case, I had about 9 grams of salted vinegar. I added maybe 6 grams of sea salt, um, or maybe 5 grams, I don't remember, but around that. And then I transfer it here in this small container left from sea salt, which I use to sprinkle. And that's the end.